देखो, the difference between phrase and clause, as I told you, is that you have to have a verb in it. Okay? So you may sit wherever you like. So wherever you like is the क्या चीज को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? वो sit को. You may sit कहाँ? Wherever you like. So the group of words which describe the verb does the work of an adverb, and since it is a sort of a number of words coined together with a verb, it makes it a clause. So you may sit wherever you like. Wherever you like is a group of words, and like is the verb. So since it has a verb and it helps to know where the should he sit, so it's describing the verb, so it's an adverb clause, not a phrase. So clause should always have a verb. अच्छा, 8 you do 2 to 10 for me. जल्दी से करके दो.